How to upgrade a UNIFI AP device firmware via SSH. Ensure your device is in a factory default state. All UNIFI devices have a reset button. You can restore the device using the reset button. You can return a device to a factory default state by holding the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. After holding the reset button, the lights will start to flash. Connect a laptop directly to the network using a wired connection. Discover the AP/IP address using a sniffing tool. Use a network scanning tool please via the listed web address to download the tool. Use PuTTY to connect to the AP via SSH. The user ID is UBNT and the password is UBNT. Here we use the sniffing tool to ID the AP. We used the last 4 of the MAC address to verify the right IP for the AP. Start up the PuTTY program and enter the IP address of the AP you identified. Connect to the AP via PuTTY using the default credentials. UBNT for user and UBNT for password. These are the default credentials. To view the information for the access point, type info. Hit enter. This will display the model of the access point and the firmware version and some other details including MAC address. Here we highlighted the current firmware version for the AP. To upgrade the firmware, type upgrade and the web address for the bin file. Hit the enter. This will start the process of upgrading the AP's firmware. During the process, the PuTTY session will disconnect and you will have to reconnect to the session when the upgrade is complete. Go ahead and ping the IP address that you identified with the discovery tool. Once the IP address starts pinging again, then you'll be able to SSH back into the AP and verify the firmware has been upgraded. You can now SSH back into the AP to verify the firmware has been upgraded. Once you SSH back into the AP, type in info and you will see the updated firmware listed in the info listing. Like and subscribe to keep up with the latest videos.